Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. So today, working on these lights again. If you remember yesterday, these pipes were going straight across. So cut these out. Actually, I don't know if I did these yesterday or not. I can't remember. Can't remember if I started these or not. I don't think so. I think I just took the pipes out. If my memory serving me correctly, but anyways, I got this side done, and then I'm working on the other ones. These are the ones with the motion detectors right there. So anyways, it's kind of annoying having to go back and forth over the beam. I'm just trying to get this done. Basically have to work on this side, work on that side, go back and forth, and just keep moving the ladder back and forth, which is kind of annoying. But anyways, these ones just have a straight up 90 on the right side and then a box offset right there. The other one's downstairs. I kind of kicked it over to get the box on the other side, but he said he didn't care, so there's a train coming. Anyways, so for these ones, I just made it straight, and the other one's downstairs where I started. I've been working my way up, so the ones downstairs I kicked over to have the box behind the light on that side, but he said he didn't care, so that's why the box is on this side on this one. So anyways, you have a little angle pulling L, they call it, whatever he called it, pulling L or something, because it's in the shape of an L and it's for pulling wire, I guess. So it's kind of like a little LB, but not quite. A lot much worse to pull wire through. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking about that one. And then on this one, I just hung this one. This is the non-motion detector, but I think I need to raise it up a little bit because I feel like it's a little bit too low. Usually I just go right on the flat with the beam or whatever, so I think I need to raise it up a couple inches. So you can't really tell at this angle that I'm at right now, but I just hung that one and stuck the wire in the box, so probably have to fix that one. But these ones are lower because of the beam. The beam is right in the middle of the light, so that's why these ones are so much lower. Once again, this one is just a straight up 90 box offset. But the other two downstairs, which I'll show you right now. It's kind of dark in here, I'm sorry. So anyways, what's been taking so long is just because basically I have to push the wire out of the wall right there once I take the old pipe out. Come down here, grab the wire, and then pipe that in, put the box on, shoot everything to the ceiling, and then push the old wire back through to the box down here, just so I don't have to pull new wire, and basically I can't just push it in the wall and then pull it back out. I have to pull it all out and then push it back all the way in. So luckily all the wires fit so far. I mean, it's not too short. And this one, these are the ones that I kicked to the wall. So I did a kick right there, and there's another one downstairs, but these two are in the crack, which is kind of cool. Just made it easier for me to make sure it was straight. And then there's one more downstairs, and then I'll just be doing the non-motion detector ones on this side tomorrow. So here's the last one right here, and that one just has a kick as well. So that's what I worked on today. So I hope you guys enjoy that. There's some scrap pipe downstairs that could be used for bending pipe videos. If they're just gonna throw it away, I'll probably snag it tomorrow or something, but I'll ask them first before that, and then maybe borrow a bender or something, if that's cool with them, or maybe I'll just go buy one, I don't know. But anyways, this is what I worked on. And if you haven't checked out the giveaway video round 3, go check that out, see if you won, so I can finally give that away. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, drop me a like, subscribe, drop a comment, and see you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.